Hey Jake, what are you gonna see for the camera?
Oh god, he's taking a video of you, Jake.
And I'm gonna post this on Facebook.
And YouTube, and they'll be like, Jake Chicago.
No, I'm gonna post it off your Facebook and I'm gonna like it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What's wrong with this?
He lost this game.
This is so stupid. We failed. You can talk with this thing?
No.
It just had a mic open. You're the stumpy foot, yeah, right.
I call trying my game.
Oh, it's in the background.
I call play my game after.
No, I get to play next. I want to view a fail.
You already tried.
No. Gay. This has been gayified by gay people.
Oh my god. Come on, Chris.
What?
My game.
What is your game?
The one you got. Yes. Yes.
I'm
Yes.
not giving it to you till tomorrow.
No. Mine. He's mine. I'll prove it. I'll prove it that it's mine now because I just sat on it.
I should turn it off and just do it again.
This has been going for a minute.
He's so obsessed with it.
Why? Take a pillow. The pillow is actually playing.